What if the first drink you consume every morning is secretly deciding whether your kidneys stay healthy or slowly become damaged over time? Most people wake up and drink whatever feels normal: coffee, sugary tea, packaged juice, or energy drinks, without realizing their kidneys have already been working all night to clean their blood and remove toxins. And here's the dangerous part: kidney damage often happens silently. No pain, no warning, no obvious symptoms. Until one day, your body starts retaining water, your energy drops, your blood pressure rises, and your kidneys begin struggling to keep up. But what if one simple morning habit could naturally support your kidneys, help flush toxins, reduce inflammation, and support repair, without expensive supplements or complicated detox routines? In today's video, I'm revealing the top 6 best morning teas that may help support kidney health naturally. Some of these teas are extremely common, but one tea on this list is often ignored, even though it may quietly protect your kidneys every single day. Make sure you stay until the end, because the final tea is probably already sitting in your kitchen right now. Let's begin. Number 1. Dandelion Root Tea. First up is dandelion root tea. Now, most people think dandelions are just weeds growing outside. But for centuries, dandelion root has been used in traditional herbal medicine to support kidney and liver health naturally. One of its biggest benefits is that it works as a gentle natural diuretic. That means it helps your body release extra water, waste, and excess salt through urine. And this is important because your kidneys rely on healthy urine flow to remove toxins from your bloodstream. When toxins and fluid build up inside the body, your kidneys experience more stress over time. Many people who wake up with puffy eyes, swollen legs, bloating, or water retention may benefit from gentle support like this. Dandelion root is also rich in antioxidants that help protect kidney cells from oxidative stress caused by poor diet, dehydration, and environmental toxins. How to make it: add 1 teaspoon dried dandelion root. 2. 1 cup hot water. Steep for 10 to 15 minutes. You can add lemon or a little raw honey if the taste feels too bitter. Drink 1 cup in the morning before breakfast for the best results, and trust me, the next tea is even more underrated. Number 2. Nettle leaf tea. Next is nettle leaf tea. And yes, this is the same plant that stings your skin when touched. But once brewed into tea, it becomes one of the most kidney-friendly herbal drinks you can have. Nettle leaf contains magnesium, iron, vitamin C, and powerful anti-inflammatory compounds. Inflammation is one of the hidden reasons kidneys become stressed over time. When inflammation stays high in the body, your kidneys have to work harder to filter waste from the blood. Nettle tea helps calm that inflammation naturally while supporting healthy urinary flow. It may also help the body flush unwanted bacteria from the urinary tract, which supports overall kidney and bladder health. Many people who drink nettle tea regularly report feeling less bloated, more energized, and lighter throughout the day. How to make it: use 1 teaspoon dried nettle, leaves 1 cup hot water, steep for 10 to 15 minutes. Some people add mint to improve the flavor. Drink it in the morning on an empty stomach or before breakfast. Now here's the interesting part. The next tea is probably already in your refrigerator. Number 3. Parsley tea. Number 3 is parsley tea. Most people see parsley as nothing more than a garnish on a plate. But parsley is actually a powerful natural herb for kidney support. Parsley works as a gentle natural diuretic, helping your body remove excess water and sodium more efficiently. This supports healthy urine flow and helps your kidneys flush toxins naturally. It's especially helpful for people who wake up feeling puffy heavy or bloated in the morning. Parsley is also rich in antioxidants that help protect kidney cells from damage caused by toxins and processed foods. And here's something important many people forget. Your kidneys and liver work together as a detox system. Supporting one organ helps the other function better too. How to make it: take a small handful of fresh parsley, Add it to hot water and steep for 5 to 10 minutes. You can squeeze fresh lemon into the tea for extra flavor and hydration support. Drink it in the morning before your first meal. And if you're getting value from this video so far, make sure to subscribe because the next 3 teas become even more powerful. Number 4. Ginger tea. Number 4 is ginger tea. Most people know ginger for helping nausea or digestion, but very few realize it may also support kidney health. Ginger contains natural anti-inflammatory and antioxidant compounds that may help protect kidney cells from long-term stress and damage. One major reason kidneys weaken over time is chronic inflammation, and ginger helps fight that naturally. It also supports healthy circulation. That's important because your kidneys constantly filter blood throughout the day. Better blood flow helps them function more efficiently. Ginger also supports digestion and fluid balance, reducing unnecessary strain on the kidneys. How to make it use. 1 fresh slice of ginger root. Hot water steep for 5 to 10 minutes. Add lemon for extra detox support and better flavor. The result is a warm, refreshing tea that helps wake up your body while quietly supporting your kidneys. But the next tea may surprise you the most because it helps support blood pressure too. Number 5. Hibiscus tea. Next is hibiscus tea. This bright red tea is not only beautiful, it's also incredibly powerful for overall kidney support. One reason hibiscus tea stands out is because it may help support healthy blood pressure levels. And high blood pressure is one of the leading causes of kidney damage worldwide. When blood pressure remains too high for too long, it puts stress on the tiny filtering units inside your kidneys. Over time, that damage adds up. Hibiscus contains antioxidants called anthocyanins that help protect cells from oxidative stress and inflammation. It may also support healthy circulation and cholesterol balance. How to make it use. 1 teaspoon dried hibiscus petals, 1 cup hot water. Steep for 5 to 10 minutes. You can add honey or lemon if desired. And important reminder, if you already take medication for blood pressure, speak with your doctor before drinking hibiscus tea regularly. Now let's reveal the final tea. The one millions of people already drink daily, without realizing how beneficial it can be. Number 6. Green tea. Finally, green tea. Green tea may seem ordinary, but it contains powerful antioxidants called catechins that help protect kidney cells from oxidative stress and toxins. These antioxidants support not only your kidneys, but also your heart and liver, organs that all work together to help detox your body. Green tea also contains natural anti-inflammatory compounds that may help reduce long-term stress on the kidneys. And unlike sugary energy drinks, green tea gives you a smoother, gentler energy boost. But moderation is important. Too much caffeine can lead to dehydration, which puts stress on your kidneys. That's why 1 to 2 cups per day is enough. How to make it use. 1 green tea bag or 1 teaspoon loose leaves. Hot water steep for 3 to 5 minutes. Add lemon or honey if desired. Drinking green tea in the morning may help support hydration, circulation, and natural detoxification throughout the day. So there you have it. The top 6 morning teas that may help your kidneys flush toxins naturally and stay healthier over time. Let's quickly recap. Dandelion root tea for detox support. Nettle leaf tea for inflammation and urinary health. Parsley tea for reducing fluid buildup. Ginger tea for circulation and antioxidant support. Hibiscus tea for blood pressure balance. And green tea for overall kidney protection. The best part? These teas are simple, affordable, natural, and easy to include in your morning routine. You don't need expensive detox products or complicated diets. Sometimes, one small daily habit can make a huge difference over time. If you enjoyed this video, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications for more health content. And before you go, comment below, which tea are you going to try first? Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.